Locked out of your consumer cellular voicemail? It's a common issue, usually caused by a forgotten or incorrectly entered PIN. Unlike some providers, Consumer Cellular doesn't offer self-service PIN resets through their website or app. Instead, you'll need to contact their support team directly at 1-888-345-5509. This service is available 24/7. Be prepared to provide account details like your phone number and the last four digits of your social security number for verification. Once verified, a support agent will reset your PIN, usually to a default like 1234, or they'll send a temporary PIN via SMS. After the reset, remember to change the PIN to something more secure and memorable through your phone's voicemail settings to prevent future lockouts. If your SIM card locks due to multiple wrong PIN attempts, you'll need a PUK code. This personal unblocking key unlocks the SIM and is usually on the SIM card packaging or available through Consumer Cellular support. Enter the PUK when prompted to regain access, then follow the voicemail PIN reset process. To prevent voicemail lockouts, enable visual voicemail through the Consumer Cellular app if available with your plan. This lets you view and play messages without needing a PIN for basic access, making it a convenient alternative that's seen increased adoption since 2024. For ongoing prevention, set reminders to update your PIN regularly and avoid sharing it with others. These habits help maintain secure access and reduce the risk of future voicemail lockouts.